DIY desk makeover, and I bought this desk off of Facebook, and it was $25, and I kind of just wanted to repaint it because I really didn't like that brown color. So I got the paint from Walmart, and I used the chalk brand paint. I think that's what it's called. Sorry, it's not in front of me, so I can't really tell you exactly the name of the chalk, or the paint. But I do remember it was called chalk paint. But right now I'm using a butter knife to unscrew the screws because I could not find my screwdriver. I always lose that thing whenever I need it. And so I'm just taking off the handles, and so I can go ahead and get started coding.
I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs. I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Looking back on how I used to be, I always thought that love was made for me.
So I wanted to say this early on in the video, but I have some awesome new videos coming out soon, and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on the big video that's coming out. I'm super excited about it, so make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on that video. And also, if you are not following me on Instagram, make sure you do that as well. I would really love to have you over there. I have so many life updates going on with me, or just with my channel in general, so make sure you go and follow me on Instagram.
I'm so tired of love songs. Sick and tired of love songs. Even when my teardrops start to dry, and even when the sun begins to shine again, I've taken all the advice there is, and none of it has helped. I'm so tired of love songs. Sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Sick and tired of you. I'm so tired of love songs that never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone to help me through. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of.
So when I got done painting for the night, and I went to go, get ready for bed, and I went to my bathroom, and guys, I had white paint all in my hair, and you can kind of see it like from this angle, but I had it all in my hair. Whenever I was painting this side of the desk, I was getting all that white paint on the tops of my head, so I had white paint, and it was kind of funny because I walked in the bathroom, I looked in the mirror, and it kind of scared me. I like jumped like, oh my gosh.
You started a fire somewhere deep in my mind. See the barbed wire, the place is grown all wide. 'Cause I don't know if it'll be enough, or if they really care. There's a stairway down for the both of us, but let's not go there. You got me thinking, whoa, I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave this place tonight, I'm telling you. Pack up your suitcase, we'll find a new place.
So I just wanted to go ahead and just tell y'all right now that I didn't get all of me painting because I did a coat and I let that dry, and then I did another coat and I let that dry, and I ended up doing 4 coats on here, and it took me 2 days. So you'll see me wearing what I have on right now, and then the next day you'll notice that I have on something different, and that's because again it took 2 days. And I think the last coat of paint that I did I did not record because I had already recorded all of that, and I figured y'all didn't want to watch me paint some more.
I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave this place tonight. I'm telling you. Pack up your suitcase, we'll find a new place. We'll cross the border, can't stay no longer in this time. I don't wanna waste no time. Feel it coming now, it's a sign. Never felt like this in my life. Not waiting a minute, awaken my spirit now. You got me thinking, whoa, I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave this place tonight. I'm telling you. Pack up your suitcase, we'll find a new place. We'll cross the border, can't stay no longer in this town. See it, no.
This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot, and he has the same effect on me. It's just something about the way that he's making me feel. My insides are out, I just wanna shout his name. My body's giving up on me, cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but I'm trying not to stare.
So I got these handles from Hobby Lobby, and let me just tell you, you go into Hobby Lobby, you don't get what you need. You come out with 10,000 other things that you didn't even go in there for. And I think I may do a video on all the things that I got from Hobby Lobby because they were really good things and they were really cheap. And I know I've been seeing everybody talk about Hobby Lobby's sale that they had going on. And I finally got in there and they still had the sale going on and they still had some really good things. So I kind of racked up on some things, and also I went back the next day and got more stuff that I needed. See, the first time, guys, oh my gosh. But anyway, these handles came from Hobby Lobby and they were on sale as well.
I wanna run up through his hair, but don't stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hit him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way. Ooh, This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot, and he has the same effect on me. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip on myself. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hit him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way. Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time.
So now I'm just going back and filling in like the spots that I missed. And so I think I did 2 layers of paint on the spots that I missed.
Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never ever ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave.
So I'm finishing up right here with the painting. I'm gonna clear off the desk, and I'm also gonna show you the finished result. But catch to this is that I ended up going back and doing something a little different. So if you want to see the finished product, make sure you check out my Instagram, because I'm going to post a picture on there, and you'll get to see what the desk ended up looking like, because it's not just white anymore. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel, because I have some exciting new videos coming out soon, and you definitely don't want to miss out on those. So go ahead and push that subscribe button right now. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you like this video so I know to do more videos like this. And also, don't forget to leave me a comment, because I love chatting with you guys. And I hope you have a nice day. And thanks again for watching. Bye.
Lucky, lucky, lucky me.